Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install this, the Super ATV fold down windshield. So when I initially got my Honda Pioneer, I was dead set against the windshield. Out here in Arizona, we go riding, it gets pretty dusty, and they basically get covered in dust on the inside that kind of creates a vacuum. But now, since I've moved and where I live and I drive the Honda 4, 5, 6 days a week, it's getting pretty cold. I know you guys in the back east, it's not cold to you, but when you're driving kids to school and it's 35, 40 degrees out, that wind chill at 25 miles an hour makes it pretty cold. So with all the holiday sales and the Black Friday deals and Cyber Monday, I went ahead and ordered this one here. I had the option of getting the fold up one that folded up, but this one is held on much simpler. It should be easy to be removed, so when I do go up to the mountains and go riding, pop it off in a matter of minutes. But around town, running to the grocery store, gas station, taking the kids to school, this one will be just fine. So let's go ahead, do an unboxing, and see where we're at. So, see if I can do this one-handed. All right. All right. So right here we have the instructions, and it looks like the unit is pre-assembled. It still has the Lexan protective coating on it. Here's our equipment. So this one attaches with just 6 Velcro straps. That's one of the reasons I purchased it, is it's a quick on and off. We have our rubber gasket right here. So first we're going to start with our bulb seal. We're going to go all the way over to the edge and around. So then the next thing we got to do is they're going to put the U seal on. It's called the U seal because it looks like a U. On it. So the fit and finish, I would say, is excellent, other than you can't open it with the factory roof. And it seals here on the edges, but it's open up here, which is fine. So you got your 3 Velcro straps. When you fold the windshield down, you're supposed to fold the top part down and keep this up, and then you'll latch this one into this extra ring. I'm half tempted in the summer, maybe keeping the top portion on, taking the hinges off the bottom. We'll see how that goes. The one item I did not install is there's a gasket that's supposed to go right there. I didn't install it. We'll see how it goes while I'm riding around in the winter. I know everyone back in the East Coast is probably laughing, but 30 degrees, us Arizonans are cold. So I'm going to do a review on this here in the next week or two on how I like it, let you know if I installed this or not. I'm also going to give you an update in that video on what Super ATV says, because when I called them a week and a half ago and I ordered this, they said it would work with the factory roof. Alright everybody, install's completed and I took it for a test drive. everything went very well. The windshield is actually very solid. A couple things I did notice, by not having that seal there, it did let in some air, which I thought was quite nice. I could feel a vacuum as I drove it up the road, as the air would swirl around to behind me. And that's one reason we don't use the windshields out here in the desert, is it gets stuck to the inside of the windshield, all the dust. But it was very smooth. There's not, the windshield's very straight, so there's no distortion for the most part. Would I buy one again if I didn't drive this every day? Probably not. Is it nice to have? I think so. So here in a couple weeks, when I do an update video on it, I'll definitely let you know. I can tell you, for the short drive I just took, maybe a mile or so, it is louder in the cab. You can hear the engine a little bit more, but it's nothing to complain about. You can feel the air in the back of your neck, but it's nice knowing that there's not going to be any bugs on my face. So tell me in the comments below, would you get a windshield? Would you get a fold down one, a fold up one, a solid one piece? Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time.